Alright, ICT traders, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I want to basically show you how to select the best pair to trade when you're trading Euro USD or GBP USD. This is basically the two currency pairs that I trade in the market most of the time, about 90% of the time. And I know so many of you guys are also trading Euro USD and GBP USD. All right, so let me show you one of the simple correlation I normally do before I go into trading any of these particular pair. All right, now if you have Euro USD and you have GBP USD, you'll realize that the common currency here is the USD. All right, so if these particular currency pairs are bullish, all right, it means that the USD is weak. All right, it means that the USD is weak. And the first thing we normally do is to check the DXY, which is the United States dollar index. All right, the DXY basically gives us the overall direction of the market. For instance, what we have here, let me even go to the 15-minute or the 1 hour time frame, because if I trade intraday, these are my most important time frames: the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and the 15-minute time frame. All right, so right here we can see that there is a very massive liquidity void that price have created. All right, if you don't know what liquidity void is, you can search for it on my YouTube list. You can see it there. So this huge candlestick movement is called a liquidity void. And if you measure this from, let's say, here to this area, we are still in a discount level after having this massive shifting structure or a break of structure around here. All right, now we are expecting price to actually trade back. We can call it market structure shift right there. We are expecting price to trade back into premium before we continue the sell. That's basically what we do. All right, so price is obviously going to fill up this liquidity void, definitely, in the market. So what we have here for the buyers on DXY, I am expecting DXY to be bullish, which means that I am expecting this liquidity void to be filled at least to the half point of this entire movement, or at least the 50% of your FIB level. And that is when I think the institutions will be interested in selling again. So looking at this, I am basically bullish on the DXY. From the 1 hour time frame, you can see price doing what? Break of structure to the upside, break of structure to the upside. I am expecting price to keep going to this area. So that is my bias on the DXY. So if I go back to my Euro USD, all right, or the GBP USD, now which of these ones am I going to select? Which of these ones will I trade to give me a smooth movement? Because most of the time, if you are trading either Euro USD or GBP USD, you will realize that one of them is moving smoothly and then another one is not moving smoothly. So the way you can select the perfect one is to basically do this simple thing I want to show you. There is a currency pair for Euro GBP. So if Euro GBP have a currency pair, it means I can get which of these ones is strong, and then I can trade with it. Currently, if I go to the 1 hour time frame, just like that one, what do you see? Euro is on your left hand side, GBP is on your right hand side. Euro is stronger than GBP. Euro is stronger than GBP. So if I am taking trade, which of these ones should I use for trade? Remember, you have Euro USD and you have GBP USD. GBP is weak and USD is strong, because I told you that USD is going to be bullish to fill up that liquidity void, which means that the USD is strong and Euro is also stronger than GBP. So trading here will give me the best if I'm trading GBP. All right, GBP USD. GBP USD should be the best currency pair you should be trading. So if you're going bearish on GBP USD, you are saying that USD is strong, so GBP is much weaker in this entire correlation. And then don't forget your economic calendar. and I use Fastbull to check my economic news, economic calendar, what is going to happen on that day. You can check the link in the description of this video. You will have access to news, you will have access to analysis, you have access to economic calendar like these ones right here. So several other options that you want to check are displayed on fastbull.com. You can check it. The link to Fastbull is in the description of this video. To stay ahead of the game, you need to check your economic news, like what is happening today, what fundamental news are we expecting to unfold in the market. Different countries with their different currencies, like you can see right here. We have different news, different countries, and don't forget, you can also filter out the best news you want to see in this particular day. To filter out the kind of news you need, you can simply come to screen and then select the countries you want to see their news. There are so many countries. Fastbull gives you options. If you're trading exotic pairs, you're trading cross pairs, or you're trading the major pairs, you have them right here to select plethora of them. So different countries, the US, the Mexico, Canada, and different other countries. You select your time and look out for the news that are coming out for that day. So to stay ahead of the game, that's basically what you do. Guys, you can check it out and then let me know if you have value in this particular video. So the selection is always this pattern. If you're trading GBP USD, it's going to be much easier. All right, let me show you GBP USD. Can you see? What do you see? It is bearish in this regard. It is bearish. Comparing this one with Euro USD, right here. Let me check Euro USD, then I will show you what I am saying. Euro USD. Euro USD. Which of these ones do you think is moving smoothly? Which of them is moving smoothly? GBP USD is more smoother than Euro USD. Why? Because Euro is stronger than GBP in the whole equation, and then USD is expected to be stronger. So you can actually see that GBP is almost getting to at least the consequent encroachment of this entire movement, at least the 50% of the movement. So you expect some reaction from there. But price can definitely sometimes push down to the 50% of this very big fair value gap right here. Let me see from here to here. So I'm still expecting more push down because we are seeing a lot of pushing down, shifting structure, break of structure, break of structure, and I'm expecting to see more push downward to fill it up, this liquidity void. All right, guys, this is all about this video. If you find value here, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to also give this video a like. Thank you guys for watching. See you in another video.